You see that you. Now a years away, the part their life will be a bro.
Yes.
Baba my German not down. Now your mum will tell you. Aka. Your baby, you know, sir. Now you see that there. You see that there. Okay. Well, can we have friend 207? Oh, a buy a young grow. Yeah. Sprinter.
And I can see.
And I can you. Sikafu ni bwanya buo. What is the kitchen in the talk? Hey, you.
Ampo, when I read it.
That's where we sit. Baby, unlightable. Eh? Baby, unlighted this.
Sana obey and check.
America can not sound a while.
That's
the 1 million your mess and no jam con mama. Baba, take them for person. Show a better way. Bob, that's how your whole one man friend you are saying. You are preaching good. And maybe as another. Papa Kumobi. Rata. Among for second where we are there to Kakakana, no, you did them. Mama tears on them. I can't tell the funny. I saw the secretary Charles. Would dear sorry sicker. A poor. A deep woman cannot cry. The cast of a packing buffet. Hey, car, the real new. Oh, the perry yet. And really here, sanity. The patoni and coupon them to say, at the same with our own. I'm in a video away. Photo to about getting some more. You put you in your fair. I tell me, I remember Ampo. On your by a reason called a jump with the Nisha. You had a couple. Sitting Simo, knew that way. With Janho. Remember near Janho. Sanity. Or a 40 year. Luke 21. Verse number 33. Remember, just you look at some back. Huh? It's you know which made me. Yes, I'm saying. Was it? Or so near Sassibere. Every jump can come out on young copa some dear. And come that and come with that mommy. Found when you had Job Castle, Job 22. Verse 22 was a found when you meant when you come on you. Yamun and the Papa Bamo. Didn't Mumbra, didn't Copa Numbra. Never see for Yamias and see what come on. Not also for a chair. The patron Yamin make you over to Yamito. That every person Barbara went over heaven. Yes. A man human not out. Will be a human to a sorry. Will be a human to a gas sorry. Sanity. A man penetrating nada. Debut. A man fear more to few months was sassy. Oh boy, 2 sorry. Nipa every in your phone. Ampo. Or a 4. Jiniamiatem wall. Sanity. Now we chum. And Nintinia couldn't be a very as a nobody. Nelson Mandela way. Or cop. Adolf Hitler way. Welcome. Napoleon Bonaparte, George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Kwame Nkrumah, Yasantua, Buzia, Akwaje, hey, we bought out of a penny from Atamis away. Dear Mammy, oh, and the Bible received beer become science here, beer become. Hey, 2 Corinthians chapter 4, verse 18. Osman for Paul say, and when you are my young Kay, and shake Kay. Nemom, huh? You won't name your son for the Iranian. You will say, on your couple the Kukunko heaven, I see a bomb. Every set, every day, and near my Yahudo, and Tenet, sure, and near my Nippon Fianu name, and son papa, 10 years about having it here. At no da. Amen. Or you was as I in with Japadio, some way. Yes, you can say. Then she said Japadio was so, baby, and we were. Metro Tata says 19. I want to say, you're the Bodoro. A sika from Sikanya doye. Sanity. Who from Sika Munyanka. Who from Musica be as a pack of evangelism. Oh, Papa was say, Matthew says 19. Matthew says 19. Also, Japadia. Also, the Japadia. There was Assassin Japadia, also the Japadia. They would be in our pay. Be some way. Assassin, so the ultimate would go. Also, the end. Yes, I'm the Bible cry. Now, one shake Japadia was as or say. And Mrumo Jenny paid Japadia was assassin. So, found what your body night. Oh, Bob was a baby and Nachi, Nimmy boy. I say, no, head that dear pa a pro. At it. Never for you 40 me bukuria. Now, once you make up a deal, so a kiss of one to see a Japadia day. As so, for what you want, I change be a cron for nothing. We want Timmy Conco. No, for what Japadia, the baby of Japadia day. I want to. And you pay investment to assassin. So, yeah. batamfie nkosoro
dabio
wo ya wo kra wo adwuma
e asem wo ya
nyamova bani nche wiase da
amen
orafo wutie me idi aba ema mokunti bema bi ene wona wo
to bible na kinkan ene be bo
bema ema sikani bi emfa enka so nya scholarship o
ya to first time
o wo prawo brenti adresi yie siesie o bi ya ba fa chento na nkeka mo wore nsasomade nsentale tete nyu body ne ba bi ngo
dabi
kai se ni padua ni nyame de ya
sanete
na akwa kubu ho akonta
yes
ewurade moyen
amen
no timi me yem abrabote ne de be ko nyame nkyai
amen
ni entwe ni wo osoro
sa
na asase japade ni mu animonyam entade boutique ntade mpaboa wo bi simi toche ni free Britain me laughing tennis spray gume we free Germany e free Brazil oba bi simi timi Brazil he 6 million woni baabro
dabi
ni abadwane o obi go de sra kala ne kala o se woni enku amesra 2 million we adopte
odi bono ho brane
nyame de form doctor ni Genesis chapter 2:7
sa
biriaba prise uwu amobafo ekura ne mfa ma
dabi
diro wie ye
sanete
oni pa wie ni asem
ampa
oni pa nim ne bre
dabi o
osenkafo chapter 9 verse 12 Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse number 12
Solomon senkafo no etem kuchme du bienu
Bible say
nanso oni pa nim ne bre
oni pa nim bre obewu afri wiase
sepata you as
sepata yeyi asaw boni
ene no mo you of
enoma wo pie se okopa wie ni obi de tire bono
sa no yi ni pa na boni eto mpofri
empofri mu enima boni tutu ni pa ka kwansia he Michael Jackson way
oko
President Diana
oko
Taribo Nchaka
wetwam
Suzy Williams
wetwam
Ebony
wetwam
me ameka se bedru be nem hwem
kwame uso ansam nyina
kwame uso ansam nyina hwem orofo ka we wie
hwe ho ye
Revelation chapter 2 verse number 7 dia semisi osaka video bia sandima unua
sanete
nyenka nkyere wiase bibia betwam asikafo mo ahiafo
sa
asofo nka no krensem asolimanti nyame asem
sa
niam abrabote ne na yade asem si Revelation chapter 2 verse 7
asafo na wie ye ne dis betimi etwe nson aso no ntie
so obi waso no betie video mu nsem ontie
ye on ka cha asafo no
ye nyankopon enam yeso ka che nipa Revelation chapter 2 verse number 11
ye waso ma ntie
Revelation chapter 2 verse number 17
obi waso ma ntie
Revelation chapter 2 verse number 29
obi asa waso atie o
Revelation chapter 3 verse 6
mo waso no ntie
Revelation chapter 3 verse number 13
so obi waso ma ntie
Revelation chapter 3 verse number 22
ye waso no ma ntie
Matthew 13 Matthew 11 verse 15
yes say so obi waso ma ntie
Matthew chapter 11 verse number 15
everybody go on say so obi waso ma ntie
orofo so waso betie se bibia betwamu a
sa
me yafutu nya ofe me yakoma mu nkomo nso wani
sanete
nam twin se edan na wotem no
Sa.
bere bi do be yiwa fi ho ne do akose wuram esiye de beka wo ne atemu
oh
edan no be wo yankani ho
obeden
ene odom bere ewade mfa video yi so na onsa kira o
sa
na o ma nwere osoro
sa
na osoro ne yefie
amen
asase so de e ya hoho de amanfrafo
God bless you,
e ye bere pagina betwam
Oh.
ye beja ho akọ
Enche.
e kokobu akonta
Nokwasem.
akire bofo owura Yesu e da wase
amen
wo se e ma wo so a obetwe akra nyina ba wo nkyɛn
no kwasem
wasɛm de akɔ wiase wiase ntie
Oh.
na wiase nwene ho
amen
na wiase mfama futuo
amen
de bi akire enyankwa ewanim
Yes.
wadom ensa danti be sha yɛn ne yaman Ghana ne wiase wadom ti amen
Yeah.